Let's learn how you can hide your chat on Messenger. Before we start, right now you can't really hide your chat on Messenger like you have option on Viber. But what you can do is, if we open our Messenger, and go to our chat with someone and click on their name, we will open this menu section. As you can see here now, there is no hide chat option, but what you can do, if it's not important to you, you can click on this restrict option and click this blue restrict button to restrict that user. That way, as you can see here, you can move the chat out of your site. You will remove the conversation from your chat list, but you won't receive any notification and you will kind of block them. But there is no other way because hide chat option doesn't exist. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.